What if I told you you could build a YouTube channel that prints money without ever showing your face? No camera, no scripts, no problem. I'm Caleb Box. I've scaled Faceless channels past $3 million, mentored by Mr. Beast himself. And today, I'm pulling back the curtain to show you exactly how you can do it too. Because let's be real for a second. Most people choose the wrong niche and then wonder why their videos flop. They waste time and effort, only to end up with low views and zero cash flow. It's frustrating. Here's the thing. Not all niches are created equal. Some niches get millions of views but pay pennies. Others might only get a few thousand views but can still make you thousands of dollars a month. It's all about finding that sweet spot. So today, we're breaking down 8 secret goldmine niches that could easily make you $10,000 per month in 2025. These aren't just theories or guesses. We're talking real RPM data, real channels, real results. Let's dive into the gold. Before we jump into the money-making niches, you need to understand how I actually rate them. Because making $10,000 a month isn't just about picking what's trending. It's about having a strategy that scales. You don't want to pick a niche that burns you out, makes no money, or can't grow long-term. So here's the 3-part framework I use to evaluate every niche before I build a channel around it. First up, earning potential. This comes down to one number, RPM, or revenue per mille. That's how much you earn per 1,000 views. If your RPM is $2, you'll need 500,000 views just to hit $1,000. But if it's $10, you only need 100,000 views. That's a massive difference, and most creators don't even look at this. Second, ease of creation. How easy is it to create consistent, quality content? If each video takes 20+ hours to make, you'll burn out quick. You want faceless formats that are efficient. Scripts, voiceovers, stock footage, repeatable templates. Simple to produce, easy to scale. And third, view count potential. Can the content go viral and stay evergreen? The best niches grow slowly at first, then explode. Now that you've got the playbook, let's get into the gold. All right, first up, we've got a niche that's a little unexpected. Anime self-help. Now, I know what you're thinking, anime and self-help, but trust me, this combo is sneaky powerful. You're tapping into 2 massive online communities, anime lovers and personal development junkies. And when you blend those 2 worlds together, you get something fresh, emotionally charged, and highly shareable. Imagine this, a montage of Goku pushing past his limits or Naruto overcoming rejection. With a voiceover breaking down how those moments reflect real psychological growth. Suddenly, your audience isn't just watching anime, they're reflecting on their own lives. The RPM here sits around $5 per 1,000 views, which is solid for a niche this creative. It's not the highest, but it's respectable. And if your videos take off, it scales well. But let's keep it real. This niche is hit or miss. Some videos go crazy viral. Others barely make a dent. The key is consistency and having a unique voice. Don't just repost anime clips. Add value with deep insights, storytelling, or personal transformation tips. Final score, 6.5 out of 10. It's a creative playground with moderate earning potential, but it's not for the lazy. If you love anime and self-growth, this could be your lane. 2. Space. Space matters. The space niche taps into something timeless, curiosity. Whether it's black holes, alien theories, or NASA missions, people love this content. Plus, it's evergreen. A good space video today can still rack up views years later. The RPM is strong at around $8 plus. But here's the challenge. It's competitive, and channels often grow slowly. You'll need clean visuals, tight narration, and a unique angle to stand out. Still, if you're patient, this niche builds trust and long-term value. Score: 7 out of 10. 3. Court cases. courtroom consequences. This niche is dripping with drama, and viewers eat it up. Real-life courtroom footage, 911 calls, and legal analysis keep people watching to the end. RPM is strong at 7+, and the storytelling potential is massive. But tread carefully. Some cases can lead to demonetization or copyright strikes. Still, if you keep it clean and factual, this format is binge-worthy, emotionally charged, and perfect for faceless storytelling. Score: 8 out of 10. 4. Business documentaries. Magnates Media. Style business documentaries are YouTube's premium niche. Viewers are high income, RPM hits $10+, and you attract sponsorships easily. But this format isn't cheap or fast. Scripts, editing, animations. It can cost $200 to $300 per video, sometimes more. And the niche is already packed with big names. Still, if you can create polished deep dives with unique angles, this niche is highly lucrative and brandable. Score: 6.5 out of 10. 5. Horror stories. Think Mr. Nightmare. This niche is built for virality. People love scary stories, and the RPM sits at a healthy $8. These videos often go viral, especially if you master pacing and suspense. The bonus? Horror never goes out of style. It's evergreen and endlessly bingeable. But storytelling is everything here. If your narration falls flat, you'll lose viewers fast. Score: 8.5 out of 10. 6. Financial education. Alux style. If you want sky-high RPMs, this is your lane. Financial education videos often earn $10 plus per 1,000 views, and the audience is loyal, curious, and hungry to spend. Whether it's wealth-building tips or investing breakdowns, the potential is massive. But SEO is your gatekeeper. Without the right keywords and titles, your videos won't be found. Score: 7 out of 10. 7. AI, make money online. This niche is exploding. From ChatGPT tutorials to passive income hacks, viewers are glued to this content. RPM is $10 plus, and if you sell digital products or courses, it jumps even higher. But beware. Competition is fierce, and weak videos die fast. If you're selling something, this niche becomes a revenue engine. Score: 7 out of 10. 9 out of 10 if selling. 8. Automotive racing. Best for beginners. Beginner-friendly, easy to produce, and loaded with viral upside, Automotive YouTube is gold. RPM hovers around $8, and content like race comparisons, car fails, or POV drives are simple to make. You don't need storytelling skills, just solid editing and timing. It's a great niche to get started, but beware. Some months are slower than others. Score: 9 out of 10. So, what's the #1 niche I'd recommend in 2025? The winner is clear: automotive and racing. It's simple to produce, high RPM, around $8 plus, and the viral potential is absolutely insane. You don't need complex storytelling, expensive editing, or even a voice if you play it right. Just clean visuals, trending topics, and you're off to the races. Literally. But here's the truth. Any of these 8 niches can print money if you play smart. That's why I created the free 5-day Faceless YouTube challenge. I'll walk you through the exact steps to pick your niche, build your first viral-ready video, and set up a monetization path without showing your face once. The link's in the description. Join the challenge. It could change your life. Now I want to hear from you. Which niche are you starting with first? Drop it in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Remember, your faceless empire starts with just one video. Let's build it.